What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Ticker video and welcome to the Ticker family. As you can see, the ticker symbol we're going to be talking about today is BNGO, or Bionano Genomics. And so what we're going to be talking about specifically is the update on the latest services and products that the company has accomplished so far. And so if you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. And if you've been supporting me so far, guys, thank you so much. It has been an awesome journey and I really do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as always, I always like to point out, if you're new to the channel, that if you actually click on the video tab and scroll down to about 4 weeks, you'll see my latest update. Hence the reason why I'm actually updating on all the products and services they've provided so far. And so I just wanted to show you that way you are informed on what was the previous updated information if you don't know anything about them. But also, if you don't know anything about Bionano, so what they are is they have this genome analysis company where they have these type of tools and services where they use this product called a Sapphire system. Now, they use scientists and clinicians conducting genetic research and patent testing, and they provide diagnostic testing for those with, for example, ASD and other neurodevelopmental situations. So also I wanted to point out, just so you know, that over the past 9 years they have performed over 65,000 tests for those with neurodevelopmental concerns. Alright, so Bionano Genomics is to report their first quarter 2020 financial results and host a conference call and webcast as well on May 13, 2021. Now, I just wanted to point this out because on that day, once we get those results, I'm going to also update you on that. But if you didn't know that this was taking place, now you know. Okay, so the first thing is Bionano Genomics announces the sites with the UK's National Health System have adopted its Sapphire system for optical genome mapping. Now, this was April 21st, 2021, so this is going to be rapid information. So they announced the adoption of the Sapphire system for optical genome mapping, or OGM, by 2 large laboratories belonging to the National Health System, or NHS, of the United Kingdom. Now, King's College Hospital in London and NHS Regional Genetics Laboratory in Belfast City Hospital have adopted the Sapphire system through the company's Regent Rental program, which entails a commitment to purchase consumables over time in connection with the placement of a system. Both sites are using Sapphire to characterize the genomes of patients with heme myelogenesis. The site in Belfast will also evaluate Sapphire for the detection of structural variants, or SVs, in patients with developmental delay, infertility, rare disease, and other genetic diseases as well. So why am I bringing this up? Well, first of all, just to update you if you didn't hear about this, the other thing is this is going to play as a catalyst in the future. Alright, so the next day, April 22nd, 2021, Bionano Genomics announces publication of new approach to study DNA replication using optical genome mapping, which we talked about, potentially supporting the development of cancer drugs targeting replication pathways. So, the publication on the novel Sapphire-based method to analyze DNA replication in human genomes could enable a new level of cancer research, which is super important, and drug discovery. Now, this exemplifies in the importance of optical genome mapping in large research market. So the other thing I want to point out is the body of humans and other organisms develop and grow when cells divide. And for each division, the entire genome needs to be replicated. So mistakes in DNA replication can lead to genome instability and mutations that drive cancer. So because cancer cells divide excessively, many therapeutic drugs target and disrupt DNA replication. So a better understanding of these mechanisms could help develop a new cancer drug which reduce the side effects. Again, a huge catalyst that not only will be influential for Q3 and Q4, but also 2023 and beyond. So again, something else that I wanted to point out. Okay, so now we're slowly starting to get up to date. Now this is going to be on May 3rd, 2021. Georgia Historic and Molecular Laboratory at Augusta University now offers diagnostic service for the constitutional genetic disorder based on the optical genome mapping with Bionano Sapphire system, which is a major deal. Now, offering this diagnostic surface for constitutional genetic disorders through a laboratory development test based on optical genome mapping, again, OGM. Then I fast forward to the OGM-based LDT developed and validated. The MCG's Gen Laboratory provides all the information sought in the first line of CMA and Fragile X testing recommended by medical guidelines, as well as information that would be sought out in reflex to KT and single assay. With all that being said, it offers the potential to achieve a higher rate of diagnostics using a workflow that is faster, easier, and lower cost, which is why I'm bringing it up. They also found that the OGM scored a perfect 100% on a relevant performance metrics. Here's the other thing. The doctors and the team have incredible progress in the last year, making the breakthrough research discoveries with OGM in the genome of patients with severe COVID-19 disease. Again, major catalyst. The last thing is LDTs for several clinical applications in the future, continuing to find Saphyr as a key tool for next generation cytogenomics in cancer and genetic disease, which again, I want to stress the importance of this foundation and the fundamentals of this company. Okay, now this is going to be the last article. Bionano Genomics announces the issuance of U.S. patent for targeted labeling strategy to complement the whole genome analysis using, again, OGM. So it announced the United States Patent and Trademark Office will issue the U.S. patent number 10,995,364 as of May 4, 2021. The patent title is Methods and Devices for Single Molecule Whole Genome Analysis. Now, it covers methods for labeling DNA molecules with one or more sequence-specific probes and detecting the signals from these probes after the DNA is linearized in these nanochannels. Last is this. The patent issued today provides the further protection of methods to characterize single DNA molecules and strengthens Bionano's global patent portfolio. And this is what I want to stress, and this is why I highlighted this. It includes 67 issued patents across 14 patent families and numerous patent applications. So these are the quick updated information. If you haven't been caught up, I just want to do a quick recap for everyone that's been tuning in. Again, Bionano's global patent portfolio is a major deal. Great information, and it's all proprietary methods. So this is going to help down the road because there's going to be other companies that could use this these patent technology for themselves, but Bionano has the opportunity to collect some type of source of income, maybe possibly for it, or merge together with coming up with better technologies with other companies. So it's always a positive thing just to know in general, and it's going to help us down the road, especially, I think, again, I cannot stress how important it is for Q3 and Q4. So thank you so much for listening to this video. I really do appreciate it. It is a little bit different, so I just wanted to give you information, but I will update you with May the 13th with the revenues for Q1. I'm super excited to see how that's going to affect our charts and to see if it's going to go up, down, or if it's going to just stay level with the support and the resistance. We're just going to have to see. But I am super excited about it. So again, leave a comment down below if you own the stock, if you're thinking about buying it, how many shares you own. I always appreciate the comments. So thanks again, and welcome to the Ticker family.